Yeah, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with an update for the Mossberg 500 chainsaw. Got some ammo for it. As you can see, Winchester AA Super Sport, Sporting Clays. Um, you can see I just went inside one, as you can see. And it's not, I'm not gonna be using it to shoot much, but probably intruders. I'm using this right here for home defense. You can see the bird seeds. Ain't gonna really do nothing, but it'll make them bag back. And that's what the insides are. This these bird seeds came on top of this, and gunpowder, whatever it says right here, it was underneath this, just like this. So I got an empty product. So it should do the job. I just was curious to know what was inside, so now I see. So yeah, that's for the Mossberg chainsaw. Should have some shooting time in the range coming soon, so be looking for it. Alright, YouTube.